ladies and gentlemen, it's time for lesson 7. Now lesson 7 is an interesting one because it's all about rental demand. Now you're going to ask yourself, why am I standing on a beach with this magnificent backdrop behind me? Looking up and down the beach, you can see we have an amazing sunset, the kite surfer's having a lot of fun. But what relevance does this have to lesson 7 and the rental demand? Well, at the end of the day, my analogy is that property without a rent, without an income, is very much like coming to the beach on a rainy day. Because on a beautiful sunny day, on a day like today, it's absolutely magnificent. Everyone's enjoying it, the kite surfers are out, and it's everyone's best memory of a great day on the beach. But the moment the rain comes, it spoils a fantastic day on the beach. And for me, owning property but not getting rental income is just like that analogy. Because without a rental income, basically the fundamentals of property fall over completely. I believe that if you don't have a rental income, it's all basically speculation. So the lesson 7, and it's one of the most valuable lessons that I can give you, is that whenever you do the market research on a property, it's important to find out what is happening in the area. It's important to find out what's happening from a capital growth point of view. But in my opinion, it is far more important to find out what the rental demand is, where those rental demands are coming from. And not like Dubai, where you were guaranteed a rental return for 2 years, and then after 2 years the whole model fell over, where there's a massive oversupply problem. And not like where you get told there's going to be a nurse's home built and there's going to be 60,000 nurses living down the road, and then the moment you take the keys you look like the Muppet because you've got no tenant. You need to know that there's a self-sustaining rental demand. You need to ask the experts, you need to ask your best of breed partners to provide their information and provide their research as to where that rental demand is coming from. It needs to be based on facts, figures, stats and long-term trends. And if you do that, then you will be a wise investor. You'll be able to make educated decisions. You'll be able to do your cash flows and your financial projections, and your numbers will be based on fact and reality. And if you can get that right, as I said, lesson 7, probably one of the most important lessons, because those 80% of people that lose money overseas, one of the biggest reasons is because they listen to the stories of the salesman. They listen to what the salesman says, and the salesman tells them what they want to hear. You need to have the facts and figures to make the right decisions, and when you do that, you'll be in your own 20%. So that's all from me. I just want to show you this magnificent sunset. And remember the analogy. If you don't have a rental income,